Hope everybody is doing well. In today's development for communication, we are going to know about a very new topic. Let's begin. Today, in this development for communication class, we will know about UNDP. So, what is UNDP? UNDP, the full form of UNDP is United Nations Development Program, is the UN's global development network advocating for change and knowledge and connecting countries to knowledge. Like what UN, like it is part of a UN for the development program. They globally develop network and advocate for change. They do changes and connect countries to knowledge, and they connect each of the countries to knowledge, experience and resources to help people build a better life. They are on the ground of some 170 countries. Right now, they are looking after 117 countries for their development and countries and territories, supporting their own solution. Like UNDP does, UNDP supports their own solution for development changes. And like suppose a country has some underdeveloped country has some their own solution to make them self-develop. So this UNDP supports their solution for their development challenges and developing nation and local capacities that will help them to achieve human development and the sustainable development goal. So why they support? Because they to achieve the human development, like UNDP supports the human development and sustainable development goal to bring about their dream of to make themselves develop. That's why UNDP is being an initiative by UN. So what is the main area of UNDP? Their main area is sustainable development. What is sustainable development? A kind of development where a development is done, like the advancement of technology or advancement of resources is done by keeping in view for the future also. Like they do not exploit the thing but use the technologies as well as resources in a smart manner, so that the future generation can also utilize those things in the future ahead. Second is democratic government and peace building. UNDP helps a country's governance to be democratic. They help a country to be democratic and peace building, to become to maintain a peace between a country. This is done by UNDP. Third but not the least, climate and disaster resilience. Like what they does, like if there is any kind, to maintain the climatic condition of their area, what they should do, and disaster, if they face any kind of disaster, they help in those kind of things also. UNDP help countries attract and use aids effectively. UNDP helps the countries attract and use aids effectively. Like aids are needed to develop themselves, so UNDP helps how a country can attract and use those aids to develop themselves. In their work, they promote gender equality and protect human rights. But while working, UNDP also promote gender equality, like men and women are equal, gender equality, and protect human rights. And they also see whether any human is not humiliated, and they protect their human right also. Now comes the question, how UNDP is related to UN. So we can see UNDP, United Nations Development Program, is central to the United Nations Sustainable Development Group. So it is a group, it is a part of a group of United Nations Sustainable Development Group, a network that span 165 countries and unite the 40 UN funds program, specialized agencies and other bodies working to advance the 2030 agenda for sustainable development. They have already created an agenda like for 2030 for sustainable development. So they have united 40 UN funds and programs and specialized agencies and other bodies working to advance this 2030 agenda. Chaired by, who is the chairman? The chaired by, like the member is created by the Deputy Secretary General and with UNDP administrator as vice chairs. The UNSDG is United Nations Sustainable Development Group, provides strategic direction and oversee to ensure UNDS entities deliver coherent, effective and efficient support to countries in their pursuit of sustainable development. The main focus of UNDP is for the sustainable development. Development communication, it is one of the most important part of development for communication. Development for communication sees communication which is meant to develop anything, develop a country. So UNDP is one of the organization which helps to develop a country, right? So where is UNDP located? United Nations Development Program, the head office of, like the headquarter of UNDP is in New York City, but works primarily through its offices, which is about in every 170 countries and territories. Where and how UNDP came into being? So when it came into being, UNDP is based on the merging of the United Nations Extended Program of Technical Assistance created in 1949 and the United Nations Special Fund established in 1958. UNDP, as we know it now, was actually established in 1965 by the General Assembly of United Nations. You can know more about UNDP in a book known as The United Nations Development Program, A Better Way. In that book, you will know more about UNDP. That was all for today. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.